Hey, what's going on YouTube? You know, I was thinking the other day, man, and I can't count how many times people have asked me, which credit card should they get first? And I often get asked this question after they've already applied for a credit card. And then later on they'll say, hey, Rod, I applied for this card, I applied for that card, I got it, or I was declined. And what I wanted to do in this video, I want to talk about the credit card that I think anyone that's beginning with credit or rebuilding credit, this should be the first credit card that you get. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about points, miles, cash back, personal finance, and how to travel around the world, baby, or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a big thumbs up. Hit that like button down below. It helps the video get pushed out to more people that may be looking for information like this, especially a video like this. Also, hit the notification bell if you subscribe. Make sure it's selected to all. It does default to personalized so you don't miss out on future videos. And share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Share it with your cousin. Share it with your cousin's cousin. I don't care who you share it with. Just share it with somebody so we can get this information out there. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's roll, baby. Hey, before I get started, make sure you do me a favor. Check out my link down in the description below for Robinhood. Once you open an account with Robinhood, you will receive one free stock. Also, check out the link down there for BLOCKFI. If you're into cryptocurrency or you currently have cryptocurrency, I would highly recommend opening a BLOCKFI account. Once you invest $100, you will receive free Bitcoin up to $250. So definitely check that out. Again, the link is down in the description below. And you also earn interest on your crypto holdings. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm not going to get too deep into that. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's talk about the absolute first credit card you should get, and that is the Discover It Secured Card. Now, the Discover It Secured Card is a credit card you want when you're just beginning your journey, when you're just starting out, and you lack a credit profile, or you went through some challenging situations. Things went down that you wasn't expecting, and it happens to the best of us. I know it happened to me. And you're trying to rebuild your credit. As a secure card, it far exceeds the credit builders, which is you and I and everyone out there that's trying to build or rebuild their credit. It's going to exceed your expectations. So you definitely want to look at it because it's going to exceed those expectations in more ways than one. Now, unlike many of its competitors, the Discover It Secure Card tells you when you might be eligible to graduate to a regular Discover It card. Now, you will have to do a security deposit. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But starting at 8 months, it's not 6 months, it's not 3 months. You don't have to guess, you don't have to wonder. But starting at 8 months, Discover will review your account to determine whether you're eligible for an upgrade to the regular Discover card. And not only are they going to upgrade you, they're going to give you your security deposit back. And I'm going to talk about the security deposit in a minute. Now, this card also features rewards, which are not generally going to happen when you get a secure card, or even when you get an unsecured card and you're just beginning. You're not going to get any type of cash back or points and miles, but the Discover It card stands out alone when it comes to this. Now, what I want to go over right now is some of the Discover It secure card basics and tell you what they have to offer. Now, you will have to put down a security deposit, a minimum of $200, and you can go up to $2,500. Now, this security deposit is going to determine your credit limit. But I can tell you, if you're just starting, unless you have a huge purchase that you're looking at making, you don't want to have a $1,000 credit limit on a secured card. I would say anywhere from $200 to $500 should be suffice. It should be good enough. Now, although it does require a security deposit of $200, you will also get that money back when you're upgraded to the regular Discover It card, or if you decide to close an account and you're in good stead. Now, if you close an account and you still owe $100 and you just willy-nilly decide to close it, then they're only going to give you $100 back because they have to recoup that $100 that you've already used your card and made a purchase. So keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to this card, let's talk about the welcome bonus. There is no traditional welcome bonus with this card, but what I like about it, first of all, there's no welcome bonus typically with a secure card. So with the Discover It secure card, it stands out because in your first year, and it's only from Discover, again, I'm going to say this only from Discover, you will automatically receive all the cash back earnings that you earned in your first year. Discover is going to match that, yo. They're going to match every dollar that you earn in your first year, and you just can't beat it. So bottom line, basically, it's just going to be a dollar for dollar match after your first year. Now, when it comes to rewards, again, I can't even believe I'm saying this with a secure card because secure cards typically don't have rewards. So I'm going to say it again. When it comes to rewards, baby, you will earn 2% cash back per $1 spent at gas stations and 2% cash back per $1 spent at restaurants. Now, this is capped to a $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. Each quarter, so that's 3 months. You have $1,000 where you can earn 2% cash back. But when you're just starting out, you have to be smart. You have to be methodical. You have to keep up with your transactions. But in your first $1,000, you're only going to get 2% cash back. You're only going to get $1,000. You get 2% cash back at gas stations, restaurants, and you get 1% cash back on all other purchases. But let me drop a bolder alert, baby, a boulder alert. And in case you don't know, I don't drop gems. I don't drop nuggets. I drop boulders, baby. And this is a hard hat moment because I don't want you to get hit in the head. When you make a 2% cash back purchase, what I want everybody to think in their mind, or a 1% cash back purchase, think in your mind, it's going to be double. So in all essence, you're earning 4% cash back, or you're earning 2% cash back. Keep that in your mind. I like to look into, not too much into the future, but since I know that I'm going to receive a cash back match from Discover after the first year, this is something I want to think about and I want to be cognizant of as I go on my credit building or credit rebuilding journey. This card also, if you just happen to be traveling overseas, it does come with no foreign transaction fees. Now, there are some other perks to the card. One of the cool things is this card, even though it's secure, it's 2 perks. Number one, it's not going to say secure, so don't be paranoid or concerned that people are going to know it's a secure card. I wouldn't care if my secure card lit up in neon lights if I was starting my journey, or if it just said, hey, secure, I wouldn't care. I have a credit card and I'm building my credit history. I'm getting cash back. I wouldn't care, but it doesn't do any of that. It's going to look just like the regular Discover It card. All payments that you make will be made to all 3 credit bureaus, that is TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, which will help you build or rebuild credit. Now, the bottom line, when it comes to the Discover It secure card, it is rare to find a secure card that's going to give you any type of rewards. And no annual fee. Did I mention no annual fee? But with this secure card, not only will you earn rewards, but you'll also have all the cash back that you earned for an entire year matched by Discover. And to me, that is just phenomenal. That's unbelievable. Now, if you're committed to building or rebuilding your credit, a secure card can be helpful. But I'm telling you right now, the number one card, the first card you should get is the Discover It secure card, because it has a smooth process and a smooth transition when you graduate to an unsecured Discover It card, and then they're going to give you your money back. So do me a favor. Tell me, what do you think about the Discover It secure card? Did you start with this card? Are you new to credit, and now that your boy Rod from Points Blank Travel has informed you on this card, or you're thinking about applying and adding it to your wallet? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. As I stated in the beginning, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, because I'm not dropping gems, I'm not dropping nuggets, I'm dropping boulders. Give the video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Again, share it with your cousin. Share it with your cousin's cousin. I don't care who you share with. Just share it with somebody. And as I always in each video, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you, baby. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.